This is one of the larger uprooted trees I saw today. The people who live here don't seem to be home, but I did speak with others in town who say they are not alone. It was a slow drive home for some in Northeast Colorado Wednesday evening.
Dude. Looked like a wall. The sky turned real black.
Neighbors say this wind and dust didn't last super long, but it left behind a lot of damage.
I guess that's what a dust storm would look like coming in.
This tree is like 150 years old, so
Oh, wow.
yeah, so it's kind of sad to see that go down.
A large branch is delaying David Griggs Ortiz's start to summer.
We didn't even get to go in it yet, unfortunately, so that kind of sucks. But
David's stepson heard part of their back tree crack and fall.
it started to come down, so he actually bolted towards the living room, so it didn't crush him or anything else.
David's a dispatcher and his husband works for the sheriff's office, so as he raced home, he heard a lot going on over the radio throughout Morgan County.
I heard trees on cars, I heard someone being pinned down by a tree. One of our neighbors' houses over here on the other, just at the other corner, their tree went down as well.
The sheriff's office confirms there was no major injuries, but David and others are slowly cleaning up blocked roads, blocked doorways.
In the city limits of brush, I would say this is one of the bigger ones.
Crews fixed power lines and helped with cleanup. In Brush, Amanda Gilbert, 9 News.